Hello my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. So I'm going to be talking a lot of things this morning, but before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, follow, make awareness, tell your friends about my YouTube channel. Let them go and subscribe, follow, and share with me. Please guys, make awareness to them. Tell them about my YouTube channel. It's Lady Wisdom Enofe. Please. Okay guys, as you do, God will surely bless you. So my people, today I just want to talk a little bit about our men, our women in Europe. Mostly the way things they go on for this Europe, sometimes it is strange to me. So I want to talk more about in the area of relationship, in the area of marriage. A lot of our men, they don't want to stay one place. A lot of our women too, they don't want to stay one place. Now this Europe now, for say our women, if they want go, before they go into relationship, into marriage, they get target, they get plan. Now this Europe, I foresee say our men, they're not really that serious for relationship or marriage. They get target, they get plan. Me I can't look, I can't call on everything, both men and women. Both our men and women, I can't call and say na self-greed na they cause these things. Where they go on. This self-greed don't turn a lot of our women to single mothers. This self-greed don't turn a lot of our men to become single fathers. As they see single mothers, now so they see single fathers. This self-greed don't turn our men wey be say they supposed to be in charge of a beautiful home. Because of this self-greed, they don't come know their position again. Because of this self-greed where our men get, they don't come know how to become the head of a home. Because of this self-greed, it don't make them know their duty anymore. Imagine our men, some of them, they go they find woman, not be to marry, not be to stay the rest of their life with the woman and the children. Their own, that self-greed where they get, like, let me just find woman, we go figure from like 2, 3, 4 children for me. Then I go come push her to government hands. With that one, if money they come, I go to use them to build house. I go to use them to back house. I go to use them to do a lot of things for myself. And that one be just the plan. The plan be say I don't want work, even though say I get a permanent document, even though say I get a working permit. Because of that self-greed, that laziness where they inside them, where they grow inside them. They could get that plan. Say, if I just see woman, I just pretend say I love her and go stay with her the rest of my life. If she just get like 3, 4 children for me, money don't come now, then I could chase them away. Or I could just pretend the follower, they collect that money. If I don't use that money, invest finish, I could push them away, go marry for Africa, better woman for Africa. And that one be just the plan. This self-greed is still this with some of our women where we say their plan B to go into marriage, into relationship now, to get children. as many children as wey government go fit give big money. If I fit just get this like 3, 4, 5 children, yeah, I don't see say yes, government go give me big money, I could just drive the man away. Now that one be their plan. Now the greedy men and the greedy women, if the greedy men now don't get another plan, see where be say the plan where the plant come fail. The plan where be say maybe the plan come favor the woman. They don't get another plan, see where be say me. If I see and say the way I take plan I not for, I could just kill the woman, kill myself, abandon the children to government. You can't see our men, our women, our people, they don't run mad because of this government money. They forget say this government, they get their own children where they benefit for this money long time ago, where be say they don't kill each other put. Before you hear say white person kill his or our own fellow white person, could be for insurance. The only thing where they make white woman kill white woman, where they make white woman kill her husband, now insurance. All this small money where government they give white women, white men, they receive them, but they don't they kill themselves. Now insurance they kill themselves. Where be say the man they work for big company, where the man they earn big salary. You know, as your salary is big now, so your insurance you take, you know, increase them. Maybe at the end of the everything, the insurance where they will give to the woman, but they go like 150,000 or 200,000 euro. You know, say okay, the only way where the woman go take benefit, where go take get this one now when the man diseased. The only way where the man go take benefit from this insurance now when the woman diseased. You understand? When the woman died. So the man go sit down for corner, go say, So they say if this woman die, this 150,000 euro, this 200,000 euro, I go fit collect and then go define one way or the other to take poison the woman out, to take kill her, to take strangle her to death or whatever. So far the woman died. The same goes with the man. So far the man died, where I take do and where I take kill her, no concern. So far he died, so I'll go collect that insurance, because they say if he die, if she died, that insurance I go fit collect her. Now that one they kill themselves. But our local champion African men and women, they kill themselves because of child benefit. If I dey hear all these things, how much be child benefit? Child benefit, especially for France where I dey, they say if you not talk about the area where you dey, not go to interfere for distance place where you don't know. For France where I dey, depend on your situation. Some day if they get like 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 children, some day where they earn 1,006, some day where they earn 1,005, some day where they earn 1,002. Depend on your situation. Some day where be say they get 2 children, they go they earn 1,003. Some day where you get 2 children again, you go they earn 800. Depend on your situation. You understand? So this money 800, 1,000 to 1,005, you get 5 children, some go they take risk. Doctors go tell and say, no born join these 2 children again. She go born join her because the man the first time make she born join her, make the child benefit for increase. At the end she go they risk her life. They no want work, they no want do anything. The thing where you come they surprise me past now, the maid wey go just sit down, they go just hold remote from morning till evening, from on the 1st to on the 30th of the month. They not dey work. They go 2 of them go just sit down, they go they hope on that money, how they want to use them. The one way they even they pay me pass, they not they spend the money for the children. If you see their children they unkept. They go they use that money, they invest for Nigeria, they go they use that, they build their house, they go they use that, they build, I don't know. Why the children where they produce, where bring that money come for them, they no go just put them away. Now this Europe I foresee say our people go dey force 10-old child, they go dey force shoe of 8 years old pikin, they go dey force am for 10 years old pikin because they no want buy, they no want, they go dey pick shoes for street, pick clothes for welfare. That is where they pack clothes, put dump clothes, put they go they pack, pick them, they give children. And this Europe, you say government not they pay them. Now this Europe I foresee say men and women, man and his wife go they wait, they wait for money wey government want pay at the end of the month. They don't want work. They know they hear good language. They don't want to do anything. And this Europe I foresee. Because of this self-greediness, even for now, waiting the men come they do now. And they just sit down now say, at the end of the day, I go kill this woman, kill myself. Make sure say this woman not benefit from this child benefit. As it be say me, I don't get upper hand for this child benefit. This woman too not go be join, I go kill her. They plan that one now. We be say now our women don't they die because of this child benefit. You understand? So I just want can't use this medium to take beg our men. This child benefits won't they kill myself. You know they reach anything. If the money too much, now 1,007. If the money too much, that is if you get children, wait, reach 4, 5. Now you get that 1,700. If you get 2 children, now like 800 or 1,200, now you get 2 or 3 children. Now one, if you too much, 1,300. Then why you, with the woman, could they risk your life because of government work, money where you want to collect? Doctor tell you say no born join these children again because your life is at stake because of that money. Yes, say they tell you say if you get 4 children, if you get 5 children, you'll get 1,700, you'll get 1,600, you can't risk your life. The man go they push you, try more and try. If you die tomorrow. The man not the kukuma they work. You carry that money to the collector. You send that money to go. Why you could forget you? You could forget you in a trickle of an eye. You could forget you. Carry that money. They use that they invest for us. Why you go carry new woman? You understand? You go carry the new woman. You go start with that one. So my sisters, my advice for now, more than go find something to do with your hand. Go learn language. Go to work. If you get valid documents, we could let you take work. Go work. Go and make use of your hand. Go and be useful to yourself. Let that man know say you stay strong. Without government money, you could survive. Let that man know say that government money na plus to you. Don't be saying now waiting, you dey wait for every month. You understand? If the man see and say you dey serious, you dey busy with your hand, you dey responsible, himself go stand in way the whole remote, go stand on his feet to say, for my woman, after I don't get 3, 4 children, they do this kind of thing. Myself, I need to behave like a man of the house. Myself will carry documents, go find work. For Europe, any work is work. Whether na cleaning job, whether na security job, anyone na work. As far as you don't come out from house, all work na work. All work na classic work. No let any person, anybody bully you say you dey do cleaning job, not be better job. My sister, my brother, cleaning job, oh, wetin they call am hotel work security job all of them na corporate job, na good job. As far as say you no dey go that person house go dey ask for food, na that salary wey dey earn na it dey sustain you. You are better than anyone else. My sister, my sisters, get busy with your hands. My brothers, una no dey rely on government benefits wey dey pay una wife, wey dey pay una women. Una go dey work with una hands. Because of this government money wey una women dey collect, una think say yes, the money too big. One na only my woman dey chop am. I don't get that angriness, I don't get that bitterness, I don't get that hatred for now women. I don't say we be say our men no they love their women again. They could just sit down if we could they grow for their stomach. This money I hear say my woman get 2 children. I hear say now my woman don't get 3 children. Now my woman don't get 4 children. I hear say they could they pay as it just dey now. They could just they grow evil for their stomach. Now we don't get 3 children. Now they bring the topic on. Now we don't get 3 children. Now we don't get 4 children. Now we don't get 5. I hear say if we get this battalion like this, I hear say government they could give like as we get 5 now. Government could they give us like 1.7. I want to make you sit down. They could come talk on how we will take the user. You know. This 1.7 we just give me 1.5 for inside. I want to go to build filling station for Africa. This 1.7 as you get 5 children, so you could just give me 1.5 for inside. I want to go to lay foundation. That foundation you not lay on before you know this woman. Why you not lay foundation before you know this woman? If person want make, if you want become that, you want. I dey tell some people. Anything where you get before marriage, before relationship, your present relationship, new relationship, anything where you get before now your own. You see the one where you get now one, now family own. We need to plan out together. You understand? You need to work with your hands. You understand? I go work with my hand, you go work with your hand. No depend on child benefits. No can't use child benefits say you want to go build house. You want to go buy land? They colo? No. They not they use child benefit to buy land, build house. They use waiting you earn with your hand and they invest. So if you be young woman, I go advise you, make case when the sun shine. Not be say you go enter relationship, you can't they born like fish. Say make you can't they carry those money. The man go kill you throw away because now they do now. If they catch you, men now, be all these lazy men, what they think now. If they catch you, say your plan, your target, you know, your plan now to get children by force with them. You don't get like 3 or 4 children now. You want come they try to misyan, you want come they try to push them away. He go they plan to kill you. Go they plan to kill you. Now they do now. They don't start them for UK. They also said the woman they do she want the plan, and she want to push the man away. The man go kill her to away, go kill himself. The man go kill her to go. He go say na jail, he go rich, and he go make sure say where's the woman. He go jail. The children go belongs to government. Now a lot of them they think now. They plan now. So my sister, use your head. If you want to go into a relationship, make sure say you go into a relationship with good heart. All these child benefits when they kill themselves, not really necessary. Good woman go plan with her man. Good woman go plan future with her man. Waiting be a child benefit. Waiting how much government want give you. If government will give you, say you get 5 children or you get 4 children, it could be 1.7. How much 1.7 go reach na take sustain? Wait, be say you and the man are dead there from month to month. Now they rot away. How much when I go dey kill myself? Me, I did this system, I did this man for many years now. I don't care about government money. I don't care about government money. What I use government money to do? I don't work with my hands. I prefer to sweat before I get my money. Respect good day. My husband, they work with his hands. I don't even know when government don't assist us reach. I know, I mean, my first child now, how many years? And I don't care about government money, they work. Because I know, see, if I pay 1,000 euro, now my sweat, not be government money. We be say, a lot of our women don't stay lazy, they don't want to do anything, they don't want hustle, they don't want to think with their brain. They don't want to do anything because they wait for government money. This government money, when they find and they kill themselves for now, we people wait. We, the workers, now we they gather those money they give them. One and no one be like us, none ourselves still work. They give. No, this child benefit supposed to go to a couple where be say they handicap, where they're not capable to work. Be you able man, able woman. The worst part of it, where you're going to invest me for inside. You get working permit as a man. You dey strong, you dey healthy, you dey able, you dey strong. You God can't still do and they give you working permit. They put them for your hands. Working permit, use and work permit. You know go use and work, go dump am. You go dey wait. When government and the money no enter account and they never pay. How much they want pay? I go dey bred children, I go dey born children. Small girl go get 5 children because he want make government increase the money. The man go dey tear apart, they do. Children go full everywhere, noise go full everywhere, the house go dey unkept. The children they dirty. God. This Europe, don't swell, don't turn our men to become worthless, to become lazy. For our men for Africa, for Nigeria, early morning don't come out. They want to go also. They don't even know whether the woman they do something safe. Some go tell their women to stay and take care of the children. Let me go also for Africa. They'll go also. Feed their wife. Their wife will be glitter like this. Children go day healthy. They will day shine. And the man, the head, and the man will tell you I'm the head. And maybe the head of the house. And maybe be the pillar of this family. They will use and hit their chest. And maybe the pillar of this family, and maybe the head of this family. For Europe, they go one create that family, but now government now be the head of the family. Now government be the pillar of the family. Ah God, our men. I don't feel talk to our women today. Our men are beg. And I get working permit when I go to work. I hear say for Italy, our men too know the work. Now charity beg. They don't turn themselves to water leaf. Give me. They don't want work. They will get working permit. They don't want to do anything. They will go sit down in front of a supermarket. Give me. Now which kind of life is this, God? Which kind of life? Which kind of life? How long? Now no one work with your hand. Work not day, but we put the work. That money one at the back white people that they work early morning don't come up for house. But when I go they beg in front of supermarket.